It is Tuesday morn. I just did my calisthenics. Shit, the road's closed. I woke up and did my push-ups and sit-ups. Went over to the domicile to do my shoulders. Ate a huge portion of oatmeal. I keep eating stuff too much, so hopefully I'll burn it off all day when I'm pressure washing. Heading to a pressure washing job right now, hoping to make a difference for this person. But look, there's some things in life that are very important that I would like to share. It's the lesson of life is full of lessons, and I believe that overall you should be growing, even if it's just life is full of good, bad, difficult events, but they should all be looked at as lessons and opportunities to learn. I believe that your life should always be growing. It's going to be standard deviation, it'll go that, but it should always be going up. Standard deviation. Like my buddy Cooper harps on. Well, he talks about standard deviation, and it's true. It's like with everything, That's the way life goes, and one thing that's really important is always doing the right thing. I think we have it in us to do the right thing. Yeah, it's most likely going to be the hard thing, and it might. It's you. You have to do it. You have to do the right thing, and even when it sucks, that's just gonna show your character. Nothing against. Look, if you're not doing the right thing, then you got to grow and do it. Plenty of times done the wrong, full of it. But doing the wrong thing has only bit me in the ass. Save yourself and other people the time and do the right thing, even when it sucks.
Mama breeders, breathing in compliance. Lost head, spinning lead, break the legs of giant. Culminating violence.
All right, it is Wednesday at around 12. And one of the things I'm doing right now is maintaining sanity. How I'm doing it is staying busy on guitar. Guitar, music in general, life in general, you get into these ruts, with any hobby in general. But what I'm trying to do right now is just make it fun and revive old stuff that I used to play, whatever. I just ran through I haven't been playing much, let's be honest. But I just did my whole routine, metronome stuff, because it makes my hands feel good, just stuff like that. Tom Bukovac stuff to get the picking going, and different. I run through this. I like to run through the Frankenstein by Edgar Winter Group, the whole breakdown part, the guitar part, and the the sax melody, that's the guitar part, and then the sax is doing it's good to just do that to a metronome and play all the parts, and then but the guitar does this. Oh shit. I learned that like 5 years ago, and I've been every time I put like my metronome on, mostly I play all that stuff. It's good. It's just good scale work, and use all four fingers, and it's good. It's a good thing for me. It's what I like to do. But aside from that, the whole mechanics side, that can get really boring. So I'm trying to revive the whole music side of guitar playing, the creative side, so to speak. Maybe not so much creative, but it really engages my ear. So basically what I'm doing right now is transcribing stuff. What song, you may ask? Right now I'm doing Russians by Sting. So I used to play it a little bit, but what I try to do, it's not a guitar song. So you might be asking, like, what do you mean? What do you play? Well, I try to take Sting's melody that he's singing. Let's like this. Oh, and try and really, like Tom Bukovac says, when you learn it, really learn it. So that's probably not exactly. I have to listen a little bit more and get those exactly. Try and get exactly what Sting's singing, but then the bass is more like, in Europe and America, there's a growing feeling of hysteria, conditioned to respond to all the threat in their rhetorical speeches of. So I still need to learn the bass notes. So I get that, and they're like, okay, how am I going to play Sting's part, Sting's singing, and keep the bass notes? Well, first off, why? Or how do you convey Russians by Sting with just your guitar? You have to play Sting's vocal melody, and you have to keep it held down somehow with that bass. That's in the background. So, and then you figure out, how am I going to play these at the same time? Well, you have to get creative with all the different notes. That's why you have to know all your notes here, just all around the fretboard. Like it's based around C minor, right? But when I do these bass notes, I got to know my C minor right here. I got to know my C minor right here, and all around, So it can't just be like, it's got to be, oh. You got to know all, because this is where the bass notes you have to hit. It's going to be all around. So, okay, without further ado, this is what I got so far. It's a work in progress. Oh, hard. All right, that's what I got so far. Hopefully by the end of the video, I got something a lot better than that. But it makes you think. It's like doing this kind of stuff. You're like, all right, what fret am I going to play? What finger am I going to use? All classical guitar types. Classical guitar is like, you play a piece with just your guitar. So you have to really take into account what fingers you're going to play, because can you play the melody and bass at the same time with these fingers? It matters. So this is fun to me. And hopefully by the end of this video, I'll play a decent version of Russians by Sting.
Completely, like if you're a teen right now, you don't understand
It's Monday morning, no, it's Friday morning. Gonna get this trailer inspected. Bob Seger on the radio, heading down to Columbia right now. Gonna meet up with my buddy Matt, as you guys probably know. We're gonna see Technicolor Motorhome, a Steely Dan tribute band, and they're playing the Royal Scam album in its entirety, which is sweet. Saw this guy walking down the side of 95, just giving the double whammy to everyone. Definitely been there. I know how he's feeling, but I know there's light at the end of the tunnel. And Glenn Workman is going to be in this band, Technicolor Motorhome. I don't know if he's playing keys and singing, probably doing both, I'm going to guess, but he sang Supper's Ready with the band I was in for Matt's Towson University senior recital. I'm really looking forward to it. I gotta book it. I'm gonna get there like the nick of time, honestly. Hopefully park and they don't play yet and I'm able to get in there. But I got my shovel load of sweet potato and eggs. Stuff resonates with me. It's Monday morning. Just leaving the domicile. I did my back and bicep routine, feeling good. Picking up my mom now for a delayed Mother's Day celebration. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. I, for one, am super lucky to have my mom by my side. She has always been super supportive of me for whatever I'm doing in my life. Always taking me to the skate park, to guitar lessons as a kid. She still would if I didn't have a car. That's how awesome she is. So, love you, Mom. You know, I was thinking this is going to be a long video. I said I was going to play a version of Russians by Sting at the end of this video, and like, to be honest, I haven't been playing much guitar and it sucks. And it's got me thinking, like, you know, if I was really had that in my heart, would I be playing more guitar? And it's got me thinking, like, oh, maybe that's like not really part of me. And I'm like, who the hell am I? That's what I'm thinking. That's what goes through my brain all the time. Who am I? Just a identity crisis. I suffer from that. Maybe I'm the only one. But yeah, we're gonna get some breakfast here. It's a nice sunny Monday morning. Try to cloud those thoughts. Try to just don't think about that. No, just don't. Thank you to my boy Brady. Gave me these waterproof pants. Gonna save me today. Trying to pressure wash a couple places. And it's raining out, so save me the misery. these are working pretty good so far.
Constipation, speeding tickets, rickets or crickets or mice or termites or roaches or flies or a broken hook on a screen or out of gas or too much gas.
Trying to maintain as much sanity as possible, so I got Thursday's dinner already prepped up here. Don't have to worry about it. Got a Dunlop Flow 1.16 pick. Thank you to my boy Cooper. Give me those. They are definitely the favorite. My favorite picks. They're really good. I think just the design, having them a little rounded on each edge, helps navigate picking. It's just a really good pick.